I would do it. Simple, a conversational script. Again, why are they selling? Their timeline, why they're selling it on their own, how they came up with the price. Are they committed to an agent? Schedule a visit. Another way of doing it, if let's say you do have a for sale by owner that is so like animate about bring me an offer, bring me an offer, bring me a buyer. You cannot see the house unless you bring me an offer. Bring him an offer from one of the iBuyers. You know, with our brokers, we have a relationship with the Open Door. Okay, so you can actually generate an offer within 5 or 6 or 7 hours, right? That's going to be an offer for you that you can then present it to the buyer. I mean, to the seller. So bring him an offer from the iBuyer. So this way, you know, you're going there saying, look, you know, Mr. Seller, I mean, I got an offer for you right there. That's going to allow you to get in the door. When you at the house, okay.